My greetings, welcome back again. Today's mini grammar tutorial is a comparison between the two tenses, the present simple and the past simple. There are 36 example sentences. Now if you need more information on the present simple and the past simple, you can always refer to tutorials number 6 and 7 in my application, which is a free application, English for All. Now, also, you need to study the exercises. That was like number 35, that was tutorial number 35, and tutorial number 36 on the past simple and the present simple, the exercises on both tenses. Okay? Now, my advice to you, this is simple. Now, if you feel that you have to depend so much on the the keywords, it's okay, because at a certain stage in learning English, some students cannot differentiate, know the differences between the present simple and the past simple except through keywords and indicators. Now, what I have done in this tutorial is that I have provided you with all the keywords on the present simple tense. Some of these are common, some of them are not. Some of them are more common than others. So my advice to you is to look at them all and see which ones are used more commonly by students and by teachers. As if for me, if you ask me, always so common, rarely, daily, every day, every year, twice, normally, in generally or regularly, like also usually and often, weekly, every week, every time, and so on. And as for the past simple, again, the keywords are, as you can see, there are only 18 keywords. Some of them are more important, more common than others. Ones can be used with the past simple and the present simple, as you can see. So that it can be used for both. Therefore, you should be very careful when you consider this one. Okay, I want to give you an example if you wish. I can write that down. Now, what I need you to do actually is to do the following. I need you to study the position where the indicator once is used. Look at this one. I, if you say I, not showing, 1 minute please. Sorry. I once met the king. In person, what does that mean? We're doing something and the king was there and you met him. And you say, I meet my friends once a week. See where the position is? If once is used before the verb, this is a simple past. But if once is used after the verb, this is present simple. So again, this is simple past and this is simple present. See how easy it is? It's not a big deal. Now, let's go down to the example sentences and see how you can differentiate between the two tenses. All that you have to do is to look for the indicators. The indicators. Now we're going to go through each sentence separately. I'm going to stop talking and I would like you to enjoy the music and look at the two alternatives. It's either simple past or simple present. Okay? Let's go down and start right now. Thank you for being with me. These are the answers for the previous questions, 36 answers. Now the next tutorial is going to be a discussion of all the functions, actually 10 functions separately, each function separately. We call these functions of time, functions for tenses. It's very important. These functions are very important for communication and writing. Thank you very much.